all of us live and die. That's dramatic, but products are no different. Businesses market and sell their products to consumers for profitability, and a product life cycle has 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline, or death. After a business decides on a profitable product to market, the product life cycle begins. I'm Caleb Fortune with Trust Radius, and here are the best product lifecycle management software, as well as what users say about them. Teamcenter. Siemen's Teamcenter is a product lifecycle management software that connects people and processes such as manufacturing data and process, mechanical design management, and change management, to name a few. Users rave that they can easily manage their data sharing, storage, and access. Siemen's Teamcenter comes with a simulation data management feature where users can share complex simulation data with their decision makers. This visibility helps prevent certain design issues. There's also data management in manufacturing materials and other processes. For instance, the simulation engineers can easily access material model data in the Teamcenter integrated material management suite. Users say that Teamcenter is adaptable since it does feature very frequent updates. Additionally, they say Teamcenter is easy to use and configure with its intuitive user interface. It features strong integration capabilities to many applications, providing a more seamless experience. Looking at the negatives users point out, many say that Teamcenter can be buggy, and there are times when the software will randomly close out. They also say navigation can be challenging since the icons are small and the folder option is really hard to locate. Teamcenter pricing varies greatly depending on the components you require, but it appears pricing starts at $20 a month billed annually. Siemens Teamcenter is best for companies of all sizes that have multiple products, especially the case for companies with many departments. Arena PLM and QMS. Arena PLM and QMS is a solution for companies' product lifecycle management needs. It helps internal teams and supply chain partners control product development, production, and quality processes. Users say that since it is cloud-based, the collaboration between all users is simplified, and the users with access can log in anytime and anywhere. Arena PLM and QMS stands out with its bill of materials feature. Graphics can be added to the BOM, allowing easier item recognition. Not only that, users have the option to extract specific information from the BOM. Additionally, users report its revision control and revision history are great. Users can create another product version with slight variations, and the revisions update to the product. Unfortunately, many users agree that the search engine fails to pull up all the items related to certain keywords. There are also no keyboard shortcuts to improve navigation, requiring extra clicks and mouse actions to get the desired tasks, such as searching for data. Pricing for Arena is not currently listed, so you will need to reach out for a custom quote. Arena PLM and QMS is best for high-tech electronics and medical device companies with complex products, and features notable customers in the tech space like Nutanix, Square, and Ecobee. OpenBOM. OpenBOM is a digital platform that helps manage parts, documents, bill of materials, vendors, and purchases. The positives users point out are the interface, saying that it is easy to use since it resembles a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel. There are also formulas to help with cost calculations. Additionally, users praise OpenBOM for its flexible architecture for its data modeling. Analysts use flexible data objects to build any data structure. Finally, users love OpenBOM's change management, saying it is excellent with its change history and revision control, as changes are automatically tracked. Looking at negatives, users mention that OpenBOM can be buggy. In recent years, users say that OpenBOM has gone up in its pricing as well. With that pricing, some features are said to be locked into more expensive OpenBOM pricing tiers, pushing some users to continually upgrade. Users find it frustrating because other popular solutions with more functionality offer more competitive pricing. Users also point to the consistent log off and log ins that are required, which is hindering their user experience. The public parameters can also be bothersome to some users. OpenBOM's first plan is a free version for a single license and limited use. From there, prices start at $55 per user per month for their base tier, going up to $500 a month per company. Then a custom quoted enterprise plan. OpenBOM is best for larger companies, but in contrast to the other options, their tiered pricing may offer more to mid-sized organizations as well. From conception to burial, product lifecycle management software is here to guide your next venture to its full potential. Depending on your current software ecosystem, you may veer in one direction over the other. If you use a different product lifecycle management software that you prefer, let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.